Zilingo production software uses technology to make factory floors more efficient. The tool assists by monitoring factory workers' performance. A QC manager assesses the garment quality and inputs data directly into the software using a tablet. These insights are then shown directly on the factory floor in real time. The software also gives the factory director a live overview of the performance. And that's not it. The factory owner has access to in-depth analytics summarizing all this directly on their mobile phone. Amazing, isn't it? This is how it works. Using an easy-to-use interface, the QC manager inputs production data directly into tablets located next to production lines. Errors can be tagged with an easy traffic light system. Green if the production has passed the quality testing. Details of the style, size, and buyer name clearly identify the garment. Yellow would indicate that the product is defective and should go back to production. The software enables you to indicate an issue, broken down into specific details, and mark the defect on the garment silhouette. Blue would mark that the product is being reworked and rectified, then identify the correct characteristics. Red is to indicate that the product is outright rejected. The line dashboard summarizes the captured data points in real time. It summarizes production KPIs such as actual production, headcount, and garment quality. It also provides an hourly breakdown. The heat map summarizes defects locations. The central dashboard shows an aggregated view of the overall production. This provides a breakdown per line. The Analytics app allows the factory owner to assess in-depth performance analytics. The factory view gives access to daily, weekly, and monthly performance with a summary of KPIs. It also allows a comparison of the production performance across the line. The general view displays an overview of different dashboards. The trends analysis shows production efficiency patterns. The heat map displays a summary of the defect's location, while the quantity section helps analyze the quantity produced compared with the target, and so many other dashboards to explore. Last but not least, the software is accessible through mobile devices. There is no longer a need to be seated behind a desk in the factory. Performance can be tracked anytime, anywhere.